Well, I came downstairs here today. We're having a blizzard on the East Coast here, so I figured I'd come down here and play around. I wanted to show you the new fuel cell. This is similar to the other one, but it was using polycarbonate as the end caps. Now I'm using Fulonic. This is a very good material, heat resistant, chemical resistant, moisture resistant, doesn't conduct any electricity. So I've been using them as my end plates. Also a thicker middle plate. Now I'm exiting my gas up through the center and recessed in the battery connections here. I'm also using a full stainless sheet on the end plate, on both end plates. This acts like a big washer, and the grade 8 bolts, I can torque this to 100 foot-pounds. And this cell's been running for about 3 weeks, no leaks at all. It's doing a great job. I also don't have to use no gaskets between the end plate or even between the middle plates because the Fulonic is all acting like a gasket. And this runs about 22 amps right now, and she'll do 4 liters a minute when it gets to about 110 degrees. I was making new gaskets. I was going to show you, this is in a previous video when I was using the polycarbonate. Polycarbonate wasn't holding up, was cracking. I don't know if you can see that. And even the thick end plates, the washers were pulling in the plastic. So I didn't want that because I would be losing my torque. Here's the gaskets I make now. These are a hard gasket, 047. Gives me a true gap. Don't have to worry about the rubber or neoprenes or Teflons getting squishy. There's what the end plate looks like. And there's a thicker piece of the Fulonic, the middle plate, the 5/8 thick, and these are 3/8 thick end plates. This is where I was doing the punching. It punches out really well. And then I made a little jig up over here. I set in the a plate with the holes, one of the gaskets. Then I put the top plate on here, and then I use a Dremel or a Roto-Zip. The Dremel I place like this and just run around the edges like this. Cuts it right out. I'm using a number 650 router bit, which cuts it out really nice. And this is how they come out. I'm going to be trying a new PWM soon. It's T-gases. Been working on them. I should be getting it soon, and I'll give you an update on how that's working. And it's going to all go back in this, and I'll show you the results of the mileage it gets week by week. So talk to you guys later. Bye.